Alright guys, I want to do a video. This is my Class C motorhome, E450. It's a Forest River Sunseeker anyways. I want to do a quick video on these tires I just got put on here. They're the Pathfinder HSR tires, 225/75 R16, which is the factory size, but it's a C. It's actually a commercial load tire. I got these from Discount Tire, and the guys at Discount Tire did a great job in recommending these. I had on there, I'm going to show you the tires that I had on here before. I still have them on the rear. These are the factory tires. These Hankook Dynapros, same size. But these are not a commercial tire. These are just a E-load tire. But they're a 115 load, which is about 2,600 pounds per tire. Okay, so these new ones, check out the load rating on these. Because this is a commercial tire, it's got a nice highway tread on it. I've put about 500 miles on this so far. It's got a 50,000 mile warranty. The nice thing with this commercial tire, it's not a C load tire. If you see here, it's still an E rated tire, 10 ply. But if you see right here, check this out. 121 is the load rating. So these tires actually have an extra 500-pound carrying capacity over the factory tires of 115. So if you see here, it's got a 3195, almost 3,200 pounds. Whereas the factory tires are just under 2,700 pound carrying capacity. So not only do you have, I think the ride has actually been a lot smoother. The reason I just changed the front is the dealer I bought this from, they had one new tire on the front and then the factory tire like half worn. So I was having some alignment issues, so I wanted to get just both fronts replaced with the same tire, new tire, and then get an alignment so I can get this thing tracking straight down the road. And these tires, not only are they smooth on the highway, just comfortable, tracking straight for me. Road noise is very minimal, so I'm really happy with these this commercial tire. So, but there's not too many tires in this size, 225/75/16, that are the 121 load rating. There's a couple. There's like a Nexon and a couple others, but not too many. And I think this is a more appropriate tire for, you know, a big motorhome, a big RV, where you've got a lot of weight in it. So you're not at the maximum weight of the tire. You're at a more comfortable range. You don't have to worry about overloading it and blowing it out. So I thought this was great. I'm going to put these on the rear as well. So if I have all 6 tires of that, I'm going to have close to 3,000 pounds of extra load capacity on all 6 tires overall on these tires. So over what the stock ones are. So I thought that I'd pass this info along. This Pathfinder. It's actually made by Hankook, but it's made specifically for Discount Tire, so it's kind of like their in-house brand. They were only about $121 a piece, you know, so they're not like super expensive. But I think they're a good quality tire. I'm happy with them so far. The ride, the grip, tracking straight, they're doing great for me. I'll update it as I get some more miles on this. You know, 4,000 or 5,000 miles on it. I'll give an update on it. But otherwise, hopefully this is helpful, especially if you're looking for new tires for your Class C RV. I think because the factory puts on those Hankook Dynapros, the 115 load, you know, they don't know how heavy the RV is. So this is a kind of upgraded tire. Thanks for watching.